So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to design a very simple flyer using PixelLab. So first let me go to my size here. For this 1080 and then for this 1350. Yeah, here we go. So I will drop the materials on the description menu so that you can actually download. It's actually a flyer designed by Stefan using Photoshop. So this is the color scheme. So first I will go with the color scheme for the background is white, so I don't have to select the white. No, let me just select it from the color scheme. I will just turn up the pick it from here. Yep, we are good to go. So from this I will just go to my gallery and then I'll import this. I already faded this axis using PSCC. So if you don't know how to use PSCC, just go search into my videos. You actually see how to fet this place to be transparent like this. So let me click on a key. I'll just put it at the center because I want to do something. So I actually remove the color of this guy because I extracted it from this picture originally. So I remove the background and then make it white. So that is why it is like this. So now what we will do is I will go to erase background, erase color, and then I'll increase the tolerance. So you can actually see the effect. So in Photoshop you can actually do it directly using the app, but here I think you have to use another app to do this. That's for PSCC. You have to do it because this place is supposed to be faded, and then we don't want this guy to be faded, the head of this guy to be faded. So that is why I use PSCC. So I will just merge them together. Bam, they are matched. So what I will do now is I will go to, let me expand my image. Should I say expand or increase the size? Yeah, let's say increase the size. So I will actually put it around this axis. So now we can go and import the logo. Let's say this is the logo. So for this logo, I will just decrease the size here and then fix it around this axis. Hope I'm not fast because I don't want you guys to be left alone. So I will create another shape at the bottom here, just like this, to cover up this place. Yeah. So for this, I will pick a color from the color scheme. Yeah, I will go with this. Okay, this. Let's say this. Yeah. No. I will go with the other color. I'll go with this color, light blue. Yep. And then I will create another shape here. On this shape I will just drag it like this. So I'll copy this shape, drag it like this, and then I want it to be cut like this. Yeah. Let me just move it to here. And then this one I want it to be black, pure black. So let me mesh the two together. I get it. So I go to erase color and then erase the black color. So increase the tolerance to 70 and then I will do something now. So I will just create a kind of a shape and then I will move it to an invisible region and then I will just mesh the two together. Yep, you see it has become single. So now I will just pick the color. It is actually color from the color scheme here. Is this one. So that is it. So I will just drag it down. Drag it down like this. So here we go. We are moving higher. Yep, this one to the front. Yep. So I will go to my text. Where is my text? Here are my text. So I'll just copy this guide track protect. Then I'll go to my PixelLab and then fix it here. Yep. So for this, I'll just go to fonts. It is actually a kind of fonts that we. This is a railway font here. I'll just pick this regular. And then for the color, let me choose a black color. Yeah, I'll just choose the black color. Black color seems to be very black, so let me just choose this. I think this was used. Yep. So let me reduce the size. Yes, this is what I need. I don't want this video to be that long, but I want us to actually track the process. So I will go to here and then centralize both of them together. So now what remains is I will go to my text here. I will copy this. Am I copying? Yeah, copying, but yeah. So I will copy it here and then I will go to my PixelLab and then paste it. Yep. So let me paste it here. Let me show you. No, it hasn't been copied, but sure. Let me just do what I wanted to do originally before. So for this text, I will just go to my fonts here. I will choose semi-bold. And then for the color, let me show you. For the color, I will choose black. But for the guard name track is actually black, so I will just choose from this. Yep, we are good to go. And then for the protect, it should be this color. Yes, should be this. So let me increase the size a little bit here. Let me increase the size, and then I will go to alignment, and then I will just a kind of line spacing. I will just a kind of reduce the line spacing. So here we go. So now the next thing that I will do is I will go to my text. I will just copy this. Let me see, yeah, I copied it, so I'll just kind of paste it here. Yep, I pasted it here. Yeah, it will be like this. So for this also, it should be, let me pick the color from the color picker. It should be this color. Yep. So I will go and change the font to be railway. Okay, let me choose regular. Then I'll reduce the size to this. Yeah, so here we go actually. So let me go to alignment and then see whether they are aligned actually. So they are actually aligned, so I can proceed. So the next thing that I will do is I will go to this text here. So let me go and copy another text. So from here is just this text. Sorry. Copy now. Bye. I want to copy. Yeah. So I will paste it here. So I will paste it around this axis. So this one too is supposed to be railway regular, and then the color should be white. Yep. So I'll just make it to be like this. Let me just leave it like this. Yes. Correct. So I will go and import something. This is it. Play Store app. Kaza download. So I will reduce the size and then fix it around this axis. Let me see. Yep. Let me do it like this. We are good to go. So for this, I will copy it again and then drag it around this axis. For this, I will go and copy the text, which is the link. Yep, I will copy it and then go to my edit, and then I'll paste it. That's it for this class. Thank you very much for your time. If you actually find this to be very useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, please like, share to your fellow designers so that they will actually learn something. Thank you very much. If you find something that you actually learn from this video, just drop it at the comment section. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. Peace.